At your open house, every detail matters, especially the music. Generic instrumentals feel empty, and random songs with distracting lyrics pull attention away from the home. That's why these tracks were composed specifically for open houses, designed to guide emotions, keep buyers focused, and enhance their connection to the space. Now listen to how each of these sample snippets helps make the open house experience more memorable.
Quiet walls of memories, rising room by room. Every kiss, every Sunday, blooming right here in this living room. From the doorway to the bedroom, from the ceiling to the floor. I could see us here, and I can. Happiness for us, for walls that learn our names, where coffee stains the Sunday news, and tiny shoes crowd the hallway.
Glamorous, from the windows to the wine on the table. Every room says stay if you're able. Glamorous, like a secret only you get to know. Open door, and I watch their faces glow.
This 16-track mix was created to turn showings into experiences, and experiences into decisions. Download your free MP3 sample in the description and use it at your next open house. You'll see, hear, and feel the difference.